Visualize your busiest day. Executed to perfection. ARIYA custom plans your route based on your range and the types of charging stations around you, guiding you with technology that streamlines and simplifies. Parking drama? With ARIYA, that's one less thing you have to think about. Hands off, feet off, and aware of what's around you. And when you've got time to spare, ARIYA transforms into a mobile office. Your center console becomes your desk, the storage tray, a place for your device. Open your meeting app, take conference calls on the road. This is your life streamlined. This is life with ARIYA.